Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is another Christmas knot for you, and this is going to take 3 ties. Alright, so, and it's going to be bulky, it's going to be everything you think it is, and more. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm using 2 reds and a green, one with candy canes on it. So just use Christmas colors, it doesn't matter the colors, so it's just 3 I chose. So let's go ahead and bring this over to the center. Bring this over here. We're going to come up and over with all 3. You're going to need a collar that will hold this. I will already tell you this collar will not, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to come over here like this. And then we're going to bring all 3 over, and then I'm going to take this the middle one. I'm going to come up and over like this. And I'm going to leave this hanging out here. And we're going to bring both of these around. And I'm going to take the top one. And I'm going to go up through here. Like that. And then this one here, we will put it up through this. Go down to that, and then we're going to come up here like this. So you get 1, 2, 3 there. Put your collar down the best you can. I already broke my collar. Stay in my collar because it's that thick. So there you have it, and this will probably poke out. So there you have the ho, ho, ho knot. And then this will be, make that little stand out. So then you have this coming down here. So again, on your own side, my friends, your favorite one made. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video. And again, wear this to the ugly sweater party because this is about the only place you can wear this.